Hi, my dear students. Now it is time for us to understand about the exam presentation strategy. See, how you are writing your exam matters. How you are presenting your answer is matters. Now you are writing quality answer, but you are not writing in a beautiful way. You are writing correct answer, but you are no little bit change your presentation pattern, then it is possible to get more marks. So ultimate object is to get clear the examinations with the great marks. Now we can do great things in this presentation, my dear friends. Now let us go for the presentation strategies. Now there is a presentation of the auditing paper. How we can do the presentation in the auditing paper? Now first, the majority of the points might be known to the many students, but for the benefit of the everyone, we are doing this particular video. Now start your exam as per 15 minutes ranking. I have given 15 minutes ranking in some other video where you can do exam question paper analysis. So 15 minutes ranking, what you can do in the 15 minutes, you can do 15 minutes, identify the known questions to you and prepare a rank. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. Now based on that you can start writing your examination. Then start every new question on a new page. Now example, now you are writing your exam in you are writing in one paper. Now once question is you are completed in a particular answer sheet, then you are writing your question number here, then you are writing your question number here also. Then start everything in the new paper. So start writing answer for the given question. Now please double underline it. Then very clearly start the fresh question in the fresh page in order to not to confuse the paper evaluator where you are starting and where you are ending. Next comes to question number and sub question number. Now just now I shown question number, sub question number. So write down the question number clearly. Example, question number 1, part number B. Question number 1, part number B. Write in two places. Nothing wrong. So it can be very clearly gives the information to the paper evaluator as well. Next, write down bullet point wise answer to make your answer easy to understand to the paper evaluator, because paper evaluator, if you write in paragraph wise, if you are writing in a different way where paper evaluator is not getting the crisp of your answer, then you may not get the good mark even though writing the quality answer. Now for which what you should do, you should write down the bullet points, but the caution here is in case of bullet points. Example, I have taken question number 1B for writing of the examination. Now I am started with the bullet point. Now my bullet point is I am writing with double arrow mark. Example, I am writing independence concept. No item I am writing. So independence means I am writing like this. Then don't put another bullet point like this. No, don't use all the bullet points whatever you know. No, like Rangoli. You use only bullet points. No, similar. No, instead of this. So instead of this I can go for. No, let me erase this. So I can go for same bullet points. Same bullet point. Now where it will give clear cut information to the paper evaluator. So independence means expression of auditor's own opinion. Now what I am writing here, independence means expression of auditor's own opinion. Now I am writing bullet point wise where it give clear cut information to the paper evaluator. Now another approach what you can follow, use flowchart for the presentation of answer if you can. Now let me write down the same answer in different way. I am writing bullet point. Now I am writing independence means I am writing chart wise. Independence of mind then independence of appearance. This is what one bullet point. Now where if you look at the paper evaluator, if he sees the answer, then he can easily judge the student that he knows the answer. And when you are presenting in a flowchart manner, it gives clear information, easy way of explanation to the paper evaluator. Because see, what is the paper evaluation? Paper evaluation is nothing but your paper is evaluated by another eligible person where you are not directly speaking. Your paper is speaking with the paper evaluator. Now, when your paper is speaking with the paper evaluator, you should make sure that your answer is very, very clearly understandable to the paper evaluator. Now, again you can write down flow chart wise. Independence means that the opinion, key point, highlight it, opinion of the auditor should not be given as per, now draw a chart. Given as per directions or wishes of appointing authorities. So always auditor should give the his own opinion. Now if you look at this answer, see my dear friends, how beautiful it look like. No, you are writing bullet point wise and you are giving the short wise and you are highlighting the points as well. Now like this we are expecting answer from you. Now heading and subheadings you should clearly mention. Now quote the standard numbers wherever possible. Now let me write something for your understanding purpose. Now example I am going for the new question. So new question should be started new page. Example I think question number 5C. I am writing question number here also. I am writing question number here also. So for which I am giving my answer. Example question number given as per standard number 230. Audit documentation, one question is given. Then how to present this? Now what you should do? So write down the standard number first. So you must prepare all the standards. Remember the standard numbers as much as possible. So write down as per SA. You keep it in box 230 and write down very clearly, visible to the and very clearly understandable to the audit documentation. Now as per standard number 230 audit doc, what it means, no paper evaluator can easily understand that. So it is as per standard number 230 which you are already student aware, and title of the standard also he has written. So hence you may be awarding the mark for this particular standard. Now wherever possible quote the section number. Example any question given on the fraud. What you are going to do? You are going to refer the standards. SCA 240. Then you are going to give the section number 143 subsection 12. So why 143? Fraud means 143. I love you. So love is a fraud. Like that we can remember. It may not be real, but you can remember for examination purpose. So fraud means 143 subsection 12. So like this we are expecting you to write down standard numbers and section numbers for the examination. Then highlight the key terminologies and audit procedures and conclusions for the clarity purpose. Now whenever you wanted to highlight any key points for examination, you can highlight the key points what you have done here. Example opinion is the key point here, you are highlighted the opinion key point, but make sure that there is no different color pens allowed in examination, only one color pen is allowed. So that too you can go with the with the spare pens, so where you can use the same color pen. Then comes to use the pen which you are using regularly for practice. No, I am using one pen for regular usage of my practice. No, I am accustomed for this pen. No, my handwriting can be very, no, I can do it in a very clear way. Then I can save the time also because I am using regularly. The grip over the pen might be very good and I can increase my speed as well. Then examiner tips what you can follow, my dear friends. Stick to the point. Avoid writing irrelevant information because it is the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India examination where don't write whatever you know, don't throw the garbage. Write what examiner and I say want to know from you. Even if you feel some 15 to 17 pages enough, we are not expecting, or I say is not expecting to write down all 36 pages the booklet given to you. Then review the answer if the time permits. No, please go through with the question numbers, all the answers, important points, highlighted points, everything. Then ensure that nothing important is left out. Now, if anything left out, giving a reference number, standard numbers, just quote that. Then manage your stress, stay calm in the exam center, and avoid overthinking of any question. Don't write wrong answers for the right questions. No, you are giving irrelevant information means it will show bad impact on your paper. So these are the presentation tips for your examination. So hope it is useful for you, my dear friends. Hope all these points are no very useful for your examination. So thank you all for watching this video. Now please uh, make sure that you are following all these things, may be useful for many of your friends as well, so you can share with your friends as well. So thank you, and my best wishes to all of you.